Здравствуйте, добро пожаловать, друзья. Do you remember what that means? It means hello, welcome friends. Welcome to my Russian language learning series. This is the ninth lesson of the series. Today we will learn how to say where we are from and ask others where they are from in Russian language. So let us start. Repeat the words after me. Okay, so first let us understand how do we ask others where they are from. It's very simple, it's just one sentence. You would say, Откуда ты? Откуда ты? Tui is the informal word, so it's the informal way of asking. Откуда ты? And the formal way of saying is, or the polite way of saying is, Откуда вы? Откуда ты and Откуда вы. In this word, Откуда, the U is unstressed, hence this is read as Откуда. It means, where are you from? Откуда ты? Откуда вы? Okay, so let us now learn how do we tell someone where we are from. Sentence is simple. It's Ya is blank, and in that blank you put your country name. Ya is country. I am from the blank country name. Ya means I and is means from. So it's like Ya is and the country name. For example, since I'm from India, I would say Ya is Hindi. Ya is Hindi. Someone from America would say Ya is Ameriki. Ya is Ameriki. Someone from Russia would say Ya is Rasi. Ya is Rasi. But wait, did you notice that the word form of the country changes? We say Ya is Indi and not Ya is India. So why does that happen? Let us move forward. Okay, these changes happen because of something called cases in Russian language. In Russian language, some words change their endings depending on their role in the sentence. These changes are called cases. So, for example, after the word is, which means from, the country goes into genitive case. You don't have to remember it or you don't have to feel overwhelmed. It's okay if you don't understand it right now. It only means that the word ending changes, the form of the words changes, and it's called cases. Think of it like this. If you're using Russian in a normal conversation, its normal form is Россия. But if you're using it after is, it's read as Rasi. Its form changes. It's is Rasi. The country's ending changes to show the meaning from. The simple rule for many country names is if the country name ends with A or Ya, you change it to E. For example, Russia, you change it to E, it becomes Rasi. If it's India, it becomes Indi. It's the A or Ya changes to E. Now let us look at some examples of different countries changing their form. These are just for practice so that if you listen someone telling their country, you can identify it. It's okay if you're not able to remember all of them, we're just here for practice. First we see the normal form of the country and then we see its changed form because of the word is. The first example, which we have seen numerous times, is Russia. Its Russian form is Россия and the changed form is Rasi. So if someone wants to say I'm from Russia, he would say Ya is Rasi. Next we have America. Its changed form is Ameriki. Next we have India. Its changed form is Indi. So if I want to say I'm from India, I would say Ya is Indi. There is no da sound in Russian language, so we don't say India or Indi, we say Indi. Ya is Indi. Next we have Francia. It's a Russian word for France. Francia, and its changed form is Franci. Next we have Germania. It's a Russian word for Germany. Germania, and its changed form is Germani. So if someone from Germany wants to say he's from Germany, he would say Ya is Germani. Ya is Germani. Next we have Italia. It's the Russian word for Italy. Italia. If someone from Italy wants to say he's from Italy, he would say Ya is Italy. Ya is Italy. Next we have Japonia. That's the Russian word for Japan. Japonia. If someone from Japan wants to say he's from Japan, he would say Ya is Japoni. Ya is Japoni. Ya is Japoni. Next we have Canada. The changed form is Kanadi. is Kanadi. If someone from Canada wants to say he's from Canada, he would say Ya is Kanadi. Ya is Kanadi. Next we have Kitai. Kitai is the Russian word for China. Kitai. If someone from China wants to say he's from China, he would say Ya is Kitaya. Here you would say the normal form of the original form of word China does not end with a or ya. So the changed form also does not end with e. The changed form here ends with ya. So Kitai becomes is Kitaya. Is Kitaya. Next we have Hispania. Hispania is a Russian word for Spain. Hispania. The changed form is Hispani. Is Hispani. So I hope you would have understood how countries change their forms because of the word is. And now let us look at an example dialogue between A and B, where A is asking B where he's from. So A starts, A says, Atkuda tui. A is asking B, where are you from? A is saying in an informal way, so maybe B is his friend. Atkuda tui. B says, Ya is Indi. B says, I'm from India. A says, Ya is Rasi. A says, oh, I see, I'm from Russia. So I have a challenge for you today. Write in the comments, Ya is your country name using the correct form. For example, if you're from India, say, Ya is Indi. Write in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. In the next lesson, we'll add some polite expressions that will make your Russian sound much more natural. Being polite is essential, right? Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Spasiba. До свидания.